Lovely pearl, isn't it? I said it's lovely pearl, isn't it?
Yeah, mate. Got your necklace.
Why you got your mask on anyway?
I don't fucking know.
Yeah, first burp. That's right.
I fucking nailed it!
Fucking pussy!
Ready?
Yeah, come on, get the revs up. Go on.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge, bitch. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in a bag fill. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bullshit. Quick to save my peace, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really can't press us. I know.
Fucking bad breath, motherfucker.
Okay. Fucking eyeball me, mate. Fuck you up.
Fuck you up, you being to me.
Fucking hell, Cam. Oh yeah. Fuck! Got a slick change. I don't know where to go now, dude.
Oh, fuck, I'm not recording. Fuck it!
One fucking job.
One job. Right,
Let's get out there.
so we get fucking round and go on the inside.
Honestly.
Ow.
Yes!
Yeah. Seats, what they like. They hold me in, ish. Pretty comfortable, nice. You are sat very high. This is my eyesight, like that. That's how I'm looking.
Look at that. It's fuck time in front of me.
It's a fucking Kung Fu on the gear stick.
Come on, it's my time now, motherfucker.
How long did they say we got?
Didn't. Oh, 6 edging.
Nice. Fucking on. Yeah, go on!
The clutch is pretty high, man.
Did you say you can take some gap insurance out?
Yeah.
So I don't want gap insurance, all I want to do is fucking gap people. I'll fucking get them away.
They piped them sound through, Jimmy.
Yeah, I know. Ain't no fucking boat system, is it?
Yeah, in the convenience pack has that system.
Look at the black roof, that looks nice.
You can't have convenience pack. I know has a better sound system, and this, and it's even this has got like something on it which you can't use.
Oh, is it something to do with the sat nav or something?
Yeah, doesn't have it or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna go home.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now look at them.
Where now?
The MPG's car. I fucking nailed it! Fucking pussy! Fucking take her out as well. Go on! Oh, it does go well actually.
Sorry.
That's impressive. That's good. That's got quite a bit of oomph.
It is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
46.
Fucking I'm getting 2.
So I went now 4. Still wasn't told nice, is it? Like, that's brakes are good.
I'm fucking doing romantic stop. Go on.
Did I?
Yeah.
That's stuck enough.
Nail it. Go on. Yes. I like it. Yeah, it's good.
I was 30 there.
Kilometers. Plus that.
Activate limp mode. Fucking lunatics.
I think all the information's been fed back to Toyota by this. They've gone too far. They've gone down the red light district.
Cappuccino. 40.
No way. Fucking yeah. What's the gearbox like again?
Yeah, it's really
quite
good.
tight.
Yeah, it's really slick and good.
Nice short shift.
Yeah.
We got the
Oh yeah.
IMT.
Press it, Jimmy. It'll be
It's rev matching, isn't it? It's gear down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're traction control. Turn
IMT's on, yeah.
Fucking turn that off in a minute. Ah. You're not thinking about taking it, what are you, Gary?
Take it up, Hyundai.
So sport mode is what, the 50-50?
No, track mode is 50-50. Sport mode, I think, is 70% to the back, 30 to the front.
I thought...
Would be, wouldn't it?
No, I think
No.
track mode is going to be 50-50.
Yeah, track mode is 50-50, which is right.
Right, okay. Yeah.
Push normal is 60% front. That'll makes sense. You'd have more of a drive front wheel bias.
That's for faggot mode, yeah.
And the sport mode is back.
Rear wheel. Yeah.
30%.
It's 53, 54 mile an hour. It's not bad. Brakes are sharp, aren't they?
Yeah.
Nice and good, responsive.
Yeah, very good brakes. Very good. Do a little test in a minute.
So what's it like then, getting back into it after what, last drive, what was it, December?
Yeah, very good. Just a little emergency stop here, a little quick thing.
Fucking hell. My chest nearly ripped right through that seatbelt, you know. It's probably made it all fray.
It's good, yeah, good brakes. Yeah, it just feels like.
We can see, like, we're both out in here, we're both buzzing from it, aren't we? We're both like, yeah, get to ragged.
You showed me how to dance love, so tell me what you're thinking of.
Right, recording. I'll reset it. We'll see if we can do a.
You ready?
Yeah, go on, get the revs up. Go on.
30. 60.
Ooh, 0 to 60. 5.84. And it's verified!
And I didn't.
Fuck you, man!
Quarter mile.
How much did I call mile? Still going.
Go on, yeah. I don't think you can do it in 2 gears. I think that's the whole point they were saying. For revved it, but more out on the second.
Go on.
Yep.
60.
What's it called mile? Keep going!
5.25, Jimmy.
The hazards come on when you slam the brakes on.
Yeah. Oh, Jim, I think I had the camera, the camera wrong way around.
Quarter mile.
So it's still. 5.34, 16. 20 to 70, 5.37.
Half mile.
Drive back out, might be feel a bit better.
I'm alright for a minute.
Hey?
I'm alright for a minute, James, fine. Oh, I just feel a bit sick.
I think it's absolutely awesome. Well, please, I'm really excited to get yours in July or June. Sorry, June.
Yep, only 2 months to go for me to get the beast in Scarlet Red. A bit sick, to be honest. Yeah, stomach churned a little bit.
Yeah. So what do you think, Gareth? I think, fuck it, get one, don't you?
I get one and you get two.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's part of me wanted to think, no, you know what, I can leave this. I'm thinking, I can't now, I've got to get it. It's just
I think it'd be silly, Gav, gone this far. When's it going to be ready? July? June? You were set in August, weren't you?
September. I went into December the 23rd to book it.
Is that because you're a homo?
Not that far really, but and then they said September the 16th or 21st, something like that. Then they called me up was it March to say it's been brought forward to June the 16th. So yeah, here we are now. Is it middle of April? Taking it for a spin for the third time, and just all cements it for me.
Yeah, for me, my first time, and I absolutely love it. I'm thinking, I can see the appeal. I can see why everyone's raving about them. Yeah, would I have one and would I strip it out? No, because I've got the M4. Would I have it over my M4? No, but I can see this, half the cylinders, half the power, but probably
Twice the fun.
Yes. All right, stop nicking my sayings, mother.
Yeah, it's
And even like driving through this little town now, you can feel every bump in the road.
what you fucking mean? Fucking don't need it with
And you
Dennis
can feel
anymore.
every cyclist that we're about to run over.
Just feels like just eager to please. I got my way.
I love the sharp steering. I love the brakes. Everything's like that on a brand new car, isn't it? If you went test over a brand new Vauxhall or something, you touch the brakes, everything's sharp, isn't it? It's just everything nice and new. The newness.
Yeah, 2,700 miles, but from what I hear, people saying that it gets a bit better once it's worn in. I suppose most cars do, they brakes and stuff, but this feels really sharp, everything feels sharp.
Believe the hype. The hype is real.
Yeah. It's just pillar box, this sort of space could just be made a bit.
That Kia's quite smart as well, isn't it?
Yeah. That made a bit bigger. Just big enough.